right, boys and girls, welcome to Gordon Guitar. Lainey Wilson. That is the first time on Gordon Guitar. Pretty sure about that. 4x4 by you. All right. So a straightforward country song here. If you like these type of songs, then subscribe to this channel. You will have more from Lainey here on this channel for sure. So I'm glad I found this song, 4x4 by you. Let's take a look at this one. And we're going to do that without any capo. All right. So we have 5 different chords, actually 6, I believe. So that is the number of chords we're gonna use here. Let's take a look at the chords, and we're gonna start with G. So 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, 3rd E. There you have your G. Next chord is A minor. That is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. C next, and that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. We have F, and that's a bar chord where you play the bar on the 1st fret. You bar all strings there, and then you need to add 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. And then we have the D, and that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. I promised 6 chords, and the actual 6th chord here, I will just make a short adjustment from the C. We'll come to that later. So it's enough for now with the 5 chords: G, A minor, C, F, and D. Let's take a look at the strumming now. So if you go back to G, that's the 1st chord. You can do it in 2 different ways. I suggest the first one, and this is about 4 downs that will make up for 1 string around, like this. Okay, so you play on the bass strings for all these 4 downs, except from the last, not the last, the 3rd down. The 3rd down, you want to play on the higher strings. So that means bass, bass, top, bass. That is the best scenario for the song when it comes to strumming. That is 1 string around. A couple of rounds of it goes. The second one you could play is to play a clap instead of that 3rd down. So just replace a 3rd down with a clap, and that would be like that. But I suggest the 4 downs with the 3rd emphasized on the higher strings, and that is what I'm going to teach for the rest of this tutorial. So let's take a look at the chord progression, and we have 1 main chord progression that goes pretty much 90% of the song. So that will be G, 2 string rounds, A minor, 2 string rounds, C, 2 string rounds, and back to G, 2 string rounds. So it's a 4 chord song, and it both starts and ends on the G2. Okay, so it goes like this. Round. And so on. So with these 3 chords, already you know most of this song, but you will want to handle the bridge part as well. And it starts at about 1 minute and 54 seconds into the song. So we're gonna start almost in the same way, actually in the same way, but we continue in a different way for this bridge part. So G2, A minor 2, C2. So far it's the same as the main pattern. And then it continues with F. You're gonna play 1 string round of F. Then you're gonna play 3 downs. And then on the 4th down, you end on the G. Okay, so we can stop at that point. It's gonna continue. We're not through the bridge part yet, but that is a great way to stop this point and just look at the beginning here. So we had G2, A minor 2, C2, then F1 plus 3 downs and the 4th down on the G. So it goes like this. Okay, so on the F, 1 string around plus 3 downs and the G1. So and then you go to A minor and play in the same way as you play the F. That means 1 string around plus 3 downs, and the 4th down goes at this position, all right? So you just reach out to get the 2nd fret A string 1 down on that. You can also include the strings below there. You don't have to care about holding anything there, just have them as the supportive notes. So 1 down on this 2nd fret A. So you're gonna play A minor 1 full round and then 3 downs and then 1 down on this 2nd fret A. And then you're gonna continue with C2 and G2. We can stop at that point. We're not through yet still, so we're gonna continue this. So you're gonna play like this. And then we have the final part left now, and that is to play A minor 2, C2, and then the C sharp 2. What I do here, I just reach out to the 4th fret on A string. I keep that C, but instead of holding it with 3rd A, I reach out to 4th A. And with this, you're gonna play 2 strumming rounds as well, but make sure you just have short downstrokes because you really wanna focus on the 4th A there. So not all the way down, just short downstrokes here on the A, D string, perhaps the G as well if you want to. But anyway, A minor 2, C2, C sharp 2, and then you end with 1 down on D. That ends this bridge part, all right? So the final part was A minor 2, C2, C sharp 2, and 1 down on D, like this. This pause builds up for the main pattern that comes back again, and it's played till the very end. But I just want to summarize this bridge part and play through everything for you so you understand what's going on. I'm gonna speak me while I'm playing. So we go like this. G2, A minor 2, C2, F, G, A minor, C, G, A minor 2, C2, C sharp 2, D. And that's the end of the bridge part. All right. Then you go back to play G2, A minor 2, C2, and G2 till the very end. And that pretty much covers Lainey Wilson's 4x4 by You. So I really hope you enjoyed it, guys. And if you did, please feel free to support me on Going Guitar. Love that. See the channel grow and have all you guys with me to interact. So thank you, everybody, and play tuned.